Oh, look it, he's going to the front, look. Come on, man. Look.
Oh. It's good.
Keep on, just stay here.
Yeah. I fucking went to bed. Fuck that. Buddy, room in a room. Still hurt.
Members execute missions every day, like Operation.
Earn cash back on tutus, dance lessons, and tiaras, so I can get a little more towards something for me.
Operation.
Pay for soccer, pay for piano, pay for dinner. Then use the cash back on
Are members of the mission, open to the armed forces, DoD, veterans, and their families, insured by NCUA.
The Red Bull Air Race World Championship is back. Register to win your tickets at the contest page of KEGL.com. So you can see pilots race over the Texas Motor Speedway at 230 miles an hour.
Once the battle begins, I want them to make their way to the house of Governor Price's parents. Watson. If she and Agent Guthrie were compromised, they might have taken refuge there.
Understood, sir.
Yolanda said.
Actually, we may not need to wait for the battle to get underway. If I
SMA. Just don't get us into a curve.
Another one for the YouTube. 114 SMA.
Sure. That's so unsafe.
Ay nahan, buti ha, din nakita. Uy! 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 Ay! Oh my God! Oh shit! Nakandal kita? Nakaparking ka?
Putang ina.
Shit, depote!
Everything okay?
Yeah. We had a trouble!
No.
That's why we whipped the...
That's why.
What?
Automatic stop. The car is trouble.
The car is stuck up.
The car is stuck up, it won't drive forward. Can you check?
So you couldn't brake?
Yeah.
No. We brake. We cannot drive forward.
Exchange insurance information.
Utang hayop talaga na naman.
Wow, what the
Something flew out of the bed of your truck. I ran it over. Can you pull over for me? Ah, he hit me! He's on my ass!
Don't get on this guy's ass.
Ah, he hit me!
Really?
Yes! Oh my fucking god!
I'm done.
That's what you told her?
No, but that's my thought process. I'm like, I want to be your friend. Because she's the kind of person that I make friends with. Like,
Yeah, she's really chill.
she's the kind of person that I've always, like, that's how my friends in college were.
Oh shit!
Woo!
Oh, they hit.
Yeah.
Save it on the dash cam. Save it on the dash cam.
Where's the save button? The triangle?
Yeah. Is he not gonna pull over?
You need to pull over right now. You need to pull over. Pull over right now.
Yeah, what?
Pull over.
Okay, hit me, bitch.
Pull over. Hey, call the police. I have it on video. Let's follow him. You need to pull over right now, bro. You need to pull over right now.
You hit my fence.
You need to pull over right now. The cops have been called. Pull over. Now.